أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Surah Baqarah, the cow. In verses 30 to 39, the story of Adam and Satan, Iblis, is described when Satan became arrogant and considered himself racially superior to Adam and refused to prostrate to Adam, despite the command of Allah. He was cursed forever.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وإذ قال ربك للملائكة إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة
And remember the time when your Lord said to the angels, I am surely going to place a successor on earth.
قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء
The angels said, Will you place someone on earth who will spread disorder on the earth and cause bloodshed in it?
ونحن نسبح بحمدك ونقدس لك
While we continuously express praise and glorify you, while constantly acknowledging your purity.
قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون
He said, Certainly, I know what you don't know.
وعلم آدم الأسماء كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة فقال أنبئوني بأسماء هؤلاء إن كنتم صادقين.
And Allah taught Adam the names of all things, then placed all these things in front of the angels, and said, Tell me the names of these things, if you are truthful. Name signifies the complete knowledge of that thing.
قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم.
The angels said, You are free from all imperfections. We have no knowledge, except what you have taught us. Indeed, you alone are all-knowing and all-wise.
قال يا آدم أنبئهم بأسمائهم.
Allah said, O Adam, now you inform them about the names of these things.
فلما أنبأهم بأسمائهم قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم غيب السماوات والأرض وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون.
So, when Adam told them the names of these things, Allah said, Did I not tell you that I know all the hidden realities of the heavens and the earth, and I also know what you reveal and what you conceal.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ أَبَى وَاسْتَكْبَرَ وَكَانَ مِنَ الْكَافِرِينَ.
And when we commanded the angels to prostrate to Adam, they all prostrated, except Iblis. He refused and showed arrogance and became one of the disbelievers.
وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ.
And we said to Adam that you and your wife may reside in this paradise, and you both may eat freely from it, whatever you want, and from wherever you want, but do not go near this tree, otherwise you will be among the wrongdoers.
فأزلهما الشيطان عنها فأخرجهما مما كانا فيه وقلنا اهبطوا بعضكم لبعض عدو
Then Satan tempted them and led them out of the comfort and luxury of the paradise. And we ordered them, descend, some of you will be enemies to others.
ولكم في الأرض مستقر ومتاع إلى حين.
Now, for a specified period, you shall live on the earth and derive benefit from its resources.
فتلقى آدم من ربه كلمات فتاب عليه إنه هو التواب الرحيم.
Then Adam learned certain words from his Lord, so Allah accepted his repentance. Surely, He is the one who is most relenting and ever merciful.
قُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا مِنْهَا جَمِيعًا.
We said, descend from here, all of you.
فَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُم مِّنِّي هُدًى فَمَن تَبِعَ هُدَايَ فَلَا خَوْفٌ عَلَيْهِمْ وَلَا هُمْ يَحْزَنُونَ.
Then, whenever a guidance comes to you from me, those who follow my guidance shall have no fear, nor shall they grieve.
وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا أُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ.
And those who disbelieve and deny our revelations, they will be the people of hell fire. They will remain in this hell forever. The story of Iblis, Satan, indeed illustrates that Satan is an enemy of humanity, and those who follow him will find their abode in hell. Satan relentlessly endeavors to divert people from turning towards Allah, and encourages them to indulge excessively in worldly possessions and pursuits, and his aim is to keep them away from seeking Allah's guidance and mercy. This narrative serves as a warning